guys, welcome back to my channel and my fall clean and decorate. So today I am going to be cleaning and decorating the main areas of my house, my living room, dining room, a little in my kitchen, and I'm not going to go crazy with fall, but I am going to put a few things out. So thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope that you enjoy watching me get ready for fall, and maybe this will give you some inspiration to also get your home ready for fall. So let's get into the cleaning. Okay, so now everything is clean. I love to have a clean slate before I decorate. Just makes it far less confusing. But this is definitely one of the main places I love to decorate for the holidays and for every season, really. It's above my TV. And here is a sort of overview of all my fall decor. This is mostly what I'm going to use. I don't use all of it, but I did try to use as much as I could this year, but it does look like a whole lot when it's laid out like this. But this gives me an idea, an overview of what all I have. So in this video, I'm not going to show you everything that I do decorate with. I'm going to show you a few little glimpses, and I'm just trying things out, placing them, moving them around, and seeing what I like and what looks good. I like to change it up every year, so I wasn't exactly sure how it was going to look this year, but I'm going to give you a few little glimpses. And then my next video is going to be my full fall decor home tour, so make sure to come back and watch that, and you will see how everything turned out. Okay, so this is the last little area that I'm going to be showing you today, and I'm just obviously doing what I've been doing, just putting things out and seeing what works and what doesn't work. But I will say that I'm really happy with the way that everything turned out, and I hope that you will come back and see my full fall decor home tour, because it is really beautiful and really cozy, and I got a lot of people tell me that my home is small and cozy and they love it, and so I'm so excited to share it with you all, and I'm so glad that you all are loving it. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it. It really does help me out a lot, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.